Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Antonia. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I want to take you guys over to Costco because I saw one of the Costco accounts that I follow on Instagram. They posted both chocolate and vanilla Fairlife nutrition plan. And if you know me, then you know that I live, breathe, drink Fairlife nutrition plan. I have at least one a day. And before you come for me, a single Fairlife nutrition plan cost around $2. I think I did the math. It was like $2.50 or $2.60, $2.60 or something like that. I make my own matcha and coffee at home these days. I do not go to a coffee shop, a cafe, and I'm not paying $8 to $10 for a coffee. So I'm actually saving myself money, okay? It's girl math. I'm saving myself money. So anyways, because they have it at that specific Costco this week, I need to jet there right now. I need to hop in the car and go. Even though it's a far Costco from me, I need to go get it because it's very rare for them to have both flavors. I'm running low on the vanilla. I only have 2 cases left of vanilla and I have 3 cases of chocolate. There's 18 bottles in a case. It's $43, but it is worth it, okay? Anyways, I also have to stock up on some stuff. I need to get yogurt. I haven't had yogurt in a whole week, and thus I have not been eating my yogurt thing that I usually make. So I'm going to take you to go over to Costco and restock on a few things, see what they have on sale, see if there's anything I can throw in my freezer for when I'm lazy, which is 99% of the time, because I only cook for me and one other person sometimes. So realistically, I don't need to do a huge grocery shop, but I still need to stock up on a few things. You know what I mean? So anyways, let's go to Costco together. Let's do a Costco restock. Also, very sorry, I do not have my camera with me. This week that I'm here, it says that this is on sale until September 1st. It's whey protein powder. It comes in chocolate and vanilla. 140 calories, 3.4 grams of fat, 2 grams of carb, and 24 grams of protein. That's not bad, and it's also really good value because it's $37.99 and you get so much of it. 2 kg. I'm gonna ask my friend if he wants one. This air fryer is on sale for $169.99 until the 1st of September, but it looks like a little oven. It's so interesting. I've never seen that before. That's cool. Very good if you are trying to be macro friendly because it makes such good meals. This is a great dip to have if you are watching your macros as well. Look, 50 calories for 30 grams, and I've seen it less too. 3.5 grams of fat, 2 grams of carb, 2 grams of protein. If you pair it with some sort of cucumber or something, very delicious. Oh, it's $9.99 by the way. Also, they have this version, which I've never had before, and very similar macros. Not similar, exact same. So if you want something a little spicy, that's also great. And then you can also put them in sandwiches and stuff like that. Really good. Surprisingly, a lot of samples today. I got an espresso sample. I think I've shared these before. I personally don't like them. I feel really heavy or sickly when I eat them, but they have great macros. 160 calories, 1.5 grams of fat, 8 grams of carb, 29 grams of protein. This is a tuna one. And then they have a salmon version. This one's definitely gonna be higher in macros because salmon is usually higher in fat. See, 15 grams, 9 grams of carb, and then 23 grams of protein. Obviously, tuna is usually more bang for your buck when it comes to protein, but really great options here. And they're only $19.99 for the tuna, and then $21.99 for this, and they're already seasoned and mixed and ready to go. They don't have my regular 3-pack, very criminal, so I'm gonna have to go for this one, $8.99, and it's a large container of it. Oh, I wish they had the 3-pack. That's what I usually go for. I always show you guys this: 100 calories, 0 fat, 8 carb, 17 grams of protein. How criminal. These are on sale, and because I eat these as a dessert these days, I'm gonna grab one. They have macros are not bad. Of course, you're not getting as much protein, but it's only $14.49 and you get so many of them. Okay, these Olivia marinated butterfly shrimp, 150 calories for 4, 8 grams of fat. It's because they have like seasoning on them already. 2 grams of carb, 18 grams of protein, $15.99. I'm gonna buy one just because like I like to have it in my freezer as a when I'm lazy. This is a great alternative if you're looking for a protein pancake mix. I always talk about the Trader Joe one, but they have this brand here. I personally don't love it because, well, they rebranded, so I don't know if the taste is any different, but they're sweeter than I would like. $13.99 if you're looking for it. 270 calories for 75 grams is pretty good. 30.5 grams of fat, 40 grams of carb, 23 grams of protein. Add a scoop of protein powder, you are set because then you get more. If you're gonna eat this, I highly suggest you also mix in 15 grams or 10 grams of chia seeds. I buy my chia seeds here as well, $11.49. And this adds a lot of fiber into your diet. 70 calories for 15 grams, 4.5 fat, 6 grams of carb, 5 grams of fiber, which if you pay attention to fiber, not a lot of things have fiber, and 2 grams of protein. So yes, that's very good. They also have flaxseed if you're interested in that. I don't eat flaxseed, but like I know a lot of people do. 90 calories, 7 grams of fat, 4 grams of carb, only 3 grams of fiber, and 4 grams of protein, which is why I'd prefer to just do that one. And this one's $9.99 for a 1.2 kg bag. This one is $11.49 for a 1.36 kg bag. But yeah, this is a good bang for your buck. Another thing that I love that is quite expensive for sauce is this, the Rao's marinara sauce, $15.99 for 2 of these. But I love this sauce so much. And I use this for my lasagna. I told you I'm stocking up. Look at that. If you see it, you buy it, okay? That's the rule. Once I can share with you that they have it, $42.99, both chocolate and vanilla. You guys know I'm stocking up. I think I have 6 of them at home, but I need to stock up. This is the only protein shake I drink, and it's so versatile. It's so delicious. Anyways, amazing. I'm gonna grab it now. Okay guys, I am back from Costco now. I hope you guys enjoyed this little shop with me. I just recently posted a what I eat in a day video, so I'm going to leave it at the end here in case you guys are interested in what I eat in a day. Also, if you don't follow me on TikTok at Hello Harley or Instagram _Hello Harley, I post a lot of content on there as well, so I'd greatly appreciate if you followed me on those platforms as well. Show me some love there. I would appreciate it so much, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Let me know what you want to see in the comments down below. Hopefully I can film something for you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.